VEO3 is the best text-to-video AI tool we have today. But I still have two questions that keep me doubting whether it's truly the best AI video generation tool. The first one is, can it create a video longer than 8 seconds? By that, I mean a continuous video with no clear breakpoints or transitions. The second one is, if yes, can it deliver results with a consistent voice, since there is no option to add one? Welcome to AI Empire. Today, I bring these questions into view, hoping to get clear answers. Follow me to the end as we find them out together. Alright, the first question. I went ahead and created this video you're seeing on your screen. When I play it, you can see it's exactly 8 seconds long. After hours of research, I found out that, yes, you can extend the video much longer, right inside VEO3. If you're using a smartphone like mine, you need to click on the 3 dots and switch to desktop mode. From here, you'll see an option that says Add to Scenes. Click on it, and just like that, you'll arrive here. At the bottom, you'll see the video timeline. All you need to do is drag this line to the very last section of the video, then click on the plus icon above it. Please don't make the mistake of clicking the other plus icon. After clicking it, you'll see the option Save Frame as Asset. Click on it and wait a few seconds. As you can see, the last frame is now added. Now, type what you want to expand in the video. For example, I typed, "The baby stands up and walks toward the camera." Then click on Submit. Alright, the video is ready. Download it by clicking the download button. You'll see it exporting. Click download again, and it will be saved to your device. Let's watch the final result together. Well, that's impressive. I can say that, yeah, my first question has been answered. But what if my VEO3 video have voice? Will it remain consistent? To find out, I repeat the same thing I've done in the first one, and here's the result.
Welcome back, campers. It's your boy Bigfoot, with some survival hacks you'll never need.
By the way, I've opened a new TikTok account. The older one got banned due to copyright
You can clearly
policy.
hear that it's not consistent. But instead of me giving up, I decided to play with some AI tools. Maybe it might work. First thing I did is to have a clean, consistent audio. I achieved that using the voice clone option available on Minimax Audio.
Welcome back, campers. It's your boy Bigfoot, with some survival hacks you'll never need. By the way, I've opened a new TikTok account. The older one got banned due to copyright policy.
By now, you might be wondering what brings Minimax Audio in extending VEO3 videos. Let me explain. I'm trying to have a consistent voice so that later on I can use the lip sync option to sync the audio to the video to see whether it will work out. Next, for the lip syncing, I use Dreamface, and the result is absolutely, well, just watch it.
Welcome back, campers. It's your boy Bigfoot, with some survival hacks you'll never need. By the way, I've opened a new TikTok account. The older one got banned due to copyright policy.
Well, Dreamface cannot lip sync the talking Bigfoot. If you have one that can do the job, let me know in the comment section. But let me clarify something. Dreamface can still do the work if it's a human character, as seen in this video.
Welcome back, campers. It's your boy Bigfoot, with some survival.
At the end, I found out that yes, you can extend a VEO3 video if it doesn't have a talking audio. But if you have a human-like video, you can use Dreamface and Minimax Audio to get work done. Another option is when VEO3 add the custom voice option, which I know they will as time goes on. That's it. See you in my next mind-blowing video.